Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Epic Games Launcher setup Wizard Ended Prematurely. I'm going to be showing you multiple methods you can do to fix this problem. Okay, let's start right now. Now the first way, which is the easiest way, is if you have like Windows 10 or Windows 11, just click on Microsoft Store or search here for Microsoft Store, and then you want to download Epic Games from your own Microsoft Store. That will fix the problem. Okay, so you just need to search here for Epic Games, and you want to download it from Microsoft Store, and that will fix the problem. Okay, so if this one is not available to you or it doesn't work, then I'm gonna be showing you guys another way. Now the second method here, you want to go to your PC here, you want to click on files, and you want to click on PC, and you want to click on C. Okay, the drive C, you want to click on it, and then you want to click on program files 86, and then you want to search here for Epic Games and right click and delete it. Okay, click on delete, just delete it. Predax, like if you cannot find here Epic Games and you find something like Predax, I hope I pronounced this correctly, remove it. Okay, it starts with P. Anyway, and then you want to go back, click on program files, and here you want to search for Epic Games or Paradox. Okay, I'm going to search for it right now. It's called Paradox. Okay, so you want to search for it here. If you cannot find it, then you want to search for Epic Games and delete the file. Just right click and click on delete. Okay, that will fix the problem. Like I said, you want to go to program files x86 and then search for Epic Games, right click, delete it, go back to this file, it's called program files, and search here for Epic Games or Paradox, and then delete the file. Okay, if you can find here Epic Games, delete it and see if the problem is now solved or not. If it doesn't work, then here is another method that will work for everyone. Okay, before we start this, I want you guys to change the password. Probably that's the reason why you have this problem. Just change the password on Epic Games, your account, and then see if the problem is solved or not. If it doesn't work, then follow the steps, because this is going to work for almost everyone. Okay, so you want to open your files. As you can see, I have saw this method and it worked for everyone on Reddit. Now you just need to click here on the file on your file here, Explorer. Click on it, and then you want to click on downloads. Okay, and here you want to search for Epic installer. Okay, as you can see here, guys, you want to find installer file, which is the one I showed you. As you can see here, typically in the downloads folder, because that's where when you download something, it's going to be in downloads folder here, as you can see. Okay, so after that you will find this Epic installer, and what you guys need to do, you want to hold shift key and right click on the installer file. Okay, so that's all you need to do, guys. You want to like shift key, which is this, and right click at the same time. Okay, and after that you want to click on copy as path. Okay, after, guys, you click copy as path, follow these other steps. As you can see, press the Windows key and S at the same time. Okay, Windows key and S at the same time, and you want to search for command prompt. Okay, this is what you need to search for, command prompt. And what you guys need to do next, you want to copy this. Okay, as you type here in the commands prompt, make sure you run it as an administrator. Okay, so just click here again, click search for command prompt and right click and run as an administrator. Okay, click yes. That's cool. Now you want to type in this. Okay, as you can see, type this. I'm going to do this right now. Okay, I'm going to copy this. Okay, as you can see, just copy this as you see here, and you want to paste it here. Okay, paste it here. And what you guys need to do, right click, okay, on your mouse or laptop, right click, and it will copy this, and click on enter, and then click on OK. Okay, that will fix the problem. As you can see, this will copy install location, press enter, and now it's like you will be able to fix the problem. Okay, so hopefully this one helped you guys. As you can see, this is exactly the steps you need to do. Okay, hopefully this is going to help you guys. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.